Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will discuss what is a virtual environment in Python language. So first of all, we will know what is virtual environment. Virtual environment is basically a separate Python space for one project. It has its own libraries. Projects stay independent. Next is why do we use it? We use uh, internal environment for different projects and different libraries. We prevent errors, keep system Python clean. What problems we will face without virtual environment? The problems which are we face are same library, different versions installed globally causes conflicts. Basically, it will mess up our coding and our project will become difficult to analyze or submit. Solution which we will get from virtual environment are each project has its own setup. Libraries are isolated, no conflict. So basically, coding data will be sorted. Each project will have a different file, so it's easy to submit or check or analyze the data. Next is how we can create virtual environment. So we can create virtual environment through this command, the text in the yellow color, Python this one. So this is the command for creating a virtual environment. So next is how we can activate virtual environment. So these methods are for different operating systems like Windows, Mac, or Linux system. So as you can see, the command for different operating systems. So that's how we can activate virtual environment. Next is how we can install packages. So for this, we have this command pip install. It will install packages only inside the virtual environment. Next is how we can deactivate virtual environment. So simply the command for this is deactivate. These are few key points to remember. One virtual environment per project. So we can use only one virtual environment for one project, specifically for one project. Always active before coding. So we have to activate a virtual environment before coding. If not, then we can't use that virtual environment for coding or for any particular coding project. Do not upload when so we can't upload command to GitHub or any other server. So this was the summary of the topic. Virtual environment is basically a separate Python space which will prevent library conflicts, coding messing, etc. So these are the 4 steps to use virtual environment. Create, activate, install, and deactivate. So that's all from today's video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.